In this video, we are going to teach you that how you can create your account on ChatGPT. So first of all, open the Google and search here OpenAI and you will see the first website named openai.com. Just click on it. So you will see this website. On the right section, you can see try ChatGPT. Just click on this button and you will see this screen. Here it is providing you two options for sign up and for login, because we have to create accounts. So I will click on sign up. There are various options you can use. You can continue with Google. If you have a Google account and you have logged in the same browser with that account, you can click on it, or you can directly provide your email address. Also, they have another options like Microsoft account and continue with Apple, but I'm going to choose directly email here. So here you can see that on temp mail site, I have created a temporary email. I will use this email to create my account. I will paste here. You can use your personal email address. And next it is asking me to use a password. So I have used the password that was suggested by them. And next click on continue. Now it is asking me to verify my email. So again, I will click on this side. So you can see that on my inbox, OpenAI have sent me an email. So I will click on verify email address. The next step is it is asking my full name. So I will type here fine gap. It is asking my birthday. So I will type here 25/08/1998. Click on agree button. So now it want to verify that either I am human or not. So I will click on begin puzzle. So now I have to solve this puzzle to continue. Maybe your puzzle will be different, or maybe sometime it will not ask you to solve this puzzle. It will directly allow you to sign up. Once you will complete that puzzle, it will land you to this page. So next time, whenever you want to access this site, you have to type in your URL chat.openai.com. Not directly openai.com, but chat.openai.com. And now I will click here. Here you can see that it is providing me some guide that don't share your sensitive info and this type of stuff. And I will click on OK, let's go. So now we have our chatbot available, which is ready to communicate with us. So first of all, I will type here like, hi, how are you? And I will press enter. So you can see that it is asking me that I am just a computer, so I don't have feelings. So in the next video, we will learn its features and we will continue our course. I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.